In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Chase mobile banking password. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Chase mobile application. Due to privacy and security reason, this particular interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in and sign up. What you have to do is simply tap on the option sign in. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for forgot username or password. What you have to do is simply tap on this option, forgot username or password. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you have to confirm your identity. What you have to do is provide these informations that you can see right over here on your screen. You'll have to enter the social security number or tax ID, and you'll also have to enter account, card or application number. So simply tap on the field of social security number or tax ID. Now enter the credential over here. Make sure to enter the correct credential. Likewise, what you have to do is tap on this field account, card or application number. Now enter the information over here. Now after you enter both of the information, what you have to do is tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now once your identity has been verified, Chase will send a one-time code to your phone or email. Now what you have to do is simply open your messaging application or email and you'll be able to find the code over there. Now in this screen, you'll be prompted to enter the code. Enter the code. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create and confirm your new password. Make sure to comply by the requirements of creating the password. After you create and confirm the password, you'll be redirected to the login page. Now you can simply log into your account by using your new password. So that is how you recover Chase mobile banking password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.